That's wild, dude. That was like, that's what I have dreams about.
Yeah, market maker bottom model consolidation sends it one direction, and the next another macro fucking plummets in the other direction. Yeah, those are great.
I take that shit 10 out of 10 times, baby. Everything was there.
Oh yeah.
I'll be right back. Gotta get some water now.
Well,
It's actually better if I just talk, because fumble fingers here. I'm misspelling everything, so to save myself some sanity and use some frustration, I'll just talk it. So the 824 fair value gap. Now, if we were in a bearish market, if we had already started working its way lower, the fact that we're trading into it rate about, almost went to it just now. If it was bearish, I would use that fair value gap for a short opportunity, but I would want to see it break lower, create a smaller fair value gap, and then short that, not to simply returning back to that 824 fair value gap. But because we're primarily in a bull market, now I'm looking at that fair value gap to become an inversion to send us to a run on the buy side at the 813 candle on the 1 minute chart.
Now it's just showing extreme high resistance to clear up. They're probably going to markets. Gotta wait till silver bullet now. Tomfoolery, as the man would say.
oh,
Price action is going to be very cannibalistic this week. So the name of the game is
I love it, bro. Those are the trades you want to take. And those are the ones you base your probabilities off of. What was I going to say? Yeah, ICT was saying like it could just not chop around, but like obviously set the range for CPI, and then when CPI hits, it could set the precedent of the rest of the monthly direction. It should have the precedence of the monthly direction. Very good.
The most sell side I've ever seen on like every time frame.
Oh, yeah.
So if they wanted CPI, dude, they can have it.
Pay one, they can have it.
Yeah, I will not be trading that shit.
He said he wants to see this 1 minute. Everybody got used as an inversion and go for
The high.
the high 813, yeah.
What about the 145 high from yesterday?
Probably in that as well. I'd take a 50% from that high to this swing high just created, and then that's probably where a good take profit would be. 21,544.
I like it.
Was that a wick on that swing high? Yeah, it was the wick. Yeah, 25.5, like 4-3 with the wicks around. So beautiful. 4-3.7, really a tick. Yeah, it's a good TP. Not that high.
Now, it's important for me to remind you that I'm not actively trying to pick the top in the marketplace. But what I am doing is measuring with setups, engagement, tape reading, to see how the transition from the algorithmic price delivery while being in a bullish market, all of the buys should be easy, and they should go with a high 90% accuracy. But I'm starting to look for shorting opportunities to grow in their measure of precision.
Dude,
Because if it's
I
ultimately
got on
bullish,
this morning.
shorts shouldn't be all that high
I took
accuracy,
a
right?
trade that
It
wasn't
should
on
be
setup.
predominantly bullish, and all of the
I was
buys
like half
should be highly
asleep.
accurate. So I'm
And I immediately saw what I did wrong, closed it, and forgave myself.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, you're gonna make mistakes, kid. It's the first time you did that in fucking months, so it's all good.
Yeah.
I was trading what I wanted to see happen versus what the market was actually showing me.
There you go. Good stuff.
Yeah, closed it immediately.
You got to listen to ICT's last thing he was talking about. It's pretty good.
Space.
Last voice message is submitted.
teaching you how I measure transitions from a bull market
Dude,
to
I'm
the intermediate term
not
high.
in that group
That could,
chat
I guess
'cause
later on,
Ice
once
took me out.
Oh shit.
Trump's in office, I think they're going to sink the market against him this year or in 2025. But this is the active engagement process protocol that I do when I'm doing that, and I reverse it for when we're in bearish markets and I'm looking for a graduated shift over time where it moves from being bearish to bullish. And I use the short-term aspects of precision trading that is counter long-term bias to help me facilitate that idea or understanding.
I'm essentially break even on the day, but because of commissions, I'm down 70. So I was trying to figure out commissions with NinjaTrader too. How do you see how much each one costs? Like how much you've been paying for commissions?
Like total?
Yeah, because I remember you
Or
brought up
each?
that pie chart.
Yeah, hold on. I want to tape read this.
Oh, there's no rushing.
Yeah, just remind me. I'll bring it up.
Yeah, we could even look at it this weekend.
Yes, a little bit of a leader here. But then inversion fair value gap on the daily on ES, December 4th.
Yeah.
We're banging our head off of right now. And that's literally in line with the 15-minute fair value gap and 15-minute breaker. And we would have traded to a short reaction.
I know, I did.
And now it's fucking going backwards.
Yeah, like it was there. Used the perfect setup. Had the displacement what we wanted at the time of day. Toward the draw liquidity, and now this.
824 inversion fair value gap. It was a city. So normally for bearish, we would look for that to be implemented as a shorting opportunity. But now because we have failed
just a
shorting
signature.
scenarios, all of the
You lose
PDRs
on a high
started
probability
to
setup.
lose their effectiveness. And that means we're changing the tide, and they're going to run for buy side. So we're watching that 824 candlestick on the 1 minute chart to see if they can trade down to it, reprice to it, and treat it as an inversion fair value gap. Then send us into the 21.538s and maybe press to 21.549 and 3/4.
Say again.
I said if you lose on a high probability setup, it's just a signature.
Yeah. Just Intel.
Yeah, just saying you. Not yet, buddy.
Intel in that reversal, it's like a last leg reversal where it just rips the other direction. It's like, whoa, nice. I'm glad I just wasn't, stop right on my stop loss and then tanks in the right direction.
Yeah.
ICT just said he just wanted to.
What did he say?
He wants to see the 824 1 minute price to, and then trade higher, but probably not now.
Now, what happens if it doesn't come back down and reprice to 824 inversion fair value gap? Then I think that we're going to be range bound because it's, again, ideal scenario. If we're bullish, my PD array should be supporting price, not just keep stretching it higher. So those are indications that we don't want to engage on and just tape read only. But if it drops down into that 824 SIBI, which is a fair value gap, because we're above it, it should act as an inversion fair value gap. Boys? So we're watching to see if the algorithm reprices to that and then delivers a run to 21.538, 21.550-ish, okay, for that buy side. But if this keeps stretching up there, that means it's going to run that buy side, and then we're probably going to be range bound in the morning session and be sloppy.
Yeah, check out my stream. Look at my haircut.
God.
Yes, this is what ICT just said. Is fucking this thing. If price doesn't come back down to the 824 fair value gap and just reprices to 813, then price is more likely to be range bound when the market opens because he wants to see his bullish PDAs be respected in a bull run. But if it just rips through them, it's indicative of like the next setup to be
Wait, say the levels again. 824 and what?
824 inversion and then 813 high.
High of the day.
Got it.
Don't be discouraged if this is a little hard to follow, because it's kind of
This is
advanced.
just an
It's not,
absolute
it's not
ripper.
leaning on things that you would readily understand, but I'm
That would
teaching
mean
you how to navigate these conditions,
range-bound
because
conditions.
at all-time highs, you have to wait until markets create ranges, and then we measure how price is delivered within
Everything
said
about
ranges.
this already looks like
And,
it's gonna be a range.
yesterday we had a nice
Dude,
day
did you
going
buzz
lower,
your head
and I'm going
high?
to probe the idea of looking for an intermediate term high. I'm not trying to pick the top.
Oh,
Intermediate term
shit,
highs
bro.
aren't necessarily the long-term highs all the time, but it could become. So we're watching that 824 Civi to see if
You
it'll
look beautiful,
be
dude.
used as a inversion fair value gap, or i.e. a discount array to send us to 21,538, 21,550.
Yeah, I mean, last night I wanted to see Friday's lows getting take out on NASDAQ, but it's CPI. Could just fucking leave it or just generate liquidity for a bigger sweep on Wednesday. And we got what, 15-minute structure break to the upside overnight. We're just trading through this big 4-hour level now on NASDAQ.
I'll be right back. Go drop a monster.
Like
That was
clockwork.
inspiration for the cut, dude.
I don't know. Just the inspiration was I kept playing with my hair at the gym. My girl's like, "Yo, stop playing with your hair all the time." I was like, "All right, cool. I'm just gonna cut it off." She goes, "You won't do it." I was like, "All right." Fucking did it.
You're like, you don't get it. This is about being a better trader.
That's right. That's right, fucker.
Now, how do I know that these price runs here are artificial or manual intervention versus algorithmic delivery? As price made its low at the 2 minutes after 9 candlestick, it rallied up. The fair value gap that was at the 9 or 1 minute after 9 candlestick, that when it went above that, it should have treated that as an inversion fair value gap and traded off of it bullishly. It didn't even do that. Then it came back to our original inversion fair value gap and traded all the way to the opposite end of the range. It didn't even use the consequent encroachment level or any of the quadrant levels as a means of retracing within that inversion fair value gap before repricing outside of it. It never came back down and touched the high of that inversion fair value gap.
Yeah, I mean, if we are
to
going to
our
sell off today,
824
honestly, I don't want to see us trade that
City,
much
which
higher.
now we're watching to see if it acts as an inversion fair value gap. It just stayed above it, has yet to come back down and touch it. So this is all manual intervention. It's not allowing any PD array to signify that this is algorithmic. Very, very crucial information right there, because if price is just moving one-sided and it's not using any discount array to send price higher on any retrace or consolidation, it's all manual intervention.
Wow, ICT's spitting bars right now.
Is he live?
No, he's on in Telegram. Dude is spitting. 5-minute IO Fed here to take higher. $8.24, perfect delivery to the high.
Yep.
Hello?
This call is for Shamunis.
It's not me. Opening range gap, even better now.
What are you thinking for today, Ty?
Fuck, I like those lows.
I do too, but what's your LLD for bears?
What did I have my LLD at?
I think it's this like premium of this hourly SIBI above us, dude, because this inversion on the 4 hours is really fucking balanced. We have a daily wick from Thursday the 5th. Like, I'd rather us not trade much higher from here, to be real with you.
Definitely can't. We have PM session high yesterday, which I can tag and then go lower.
Yep, exactly. I don't want to see, basically in my notes, I don't want to see it displaced through this. We could come up, sweep that, and then run lower, but I don't know. There's also a fucking good chance we just leave those equal lows for CPI tomorrow.
Yeah, build that liquidity. No, for sure. I can see that.
Thanks, bro.
So what's the range from high to low?
For what, on the hourly?
Yeah, just like the whole complete range. 50% is
equilibrium is like the premium of the hourly SIBI.
yeah.
Dude, how clean was that fucking sell model? Like just on the hourly yesterday?
Gorgeous.
Fucking beautiful, dude.
Yeah, last leg too was fucking nasty.
Yeah,
But that's all you're looking for, bro. Is that could like crouching below like an imbalance or lows where it consolidates, rips the opposite direction, and then that's where I get in at, and then it just goes to that fucking liquidity. That's
the
like
right time too.
Dude, that's just a fucking
There's IOFED into that hourly SIBI yesterday. Fucking
yeah, hold on, let me listen to ICT, just count two fucking bangers.
Now, given the market conditions and what we have in terms of structure, and because it's PPI and CPI week, we actually had a down close.
You like that, Patrick?
Because we have
Patrick, look at the fucking ad, baby. Oh, that'd be so good. ICT said leave the relative equal highs, drop it down to consequent encroachment, rip their face off at the relative equal highs, and then drop it all the way down for a gap closure. Hell yeah.
sit still. You're messing around with 50-50 conditions. Don't touch it.
I love it.
consequent encroachment or what?
Opening range, yeah. First presented from last Thursday, banked off the tank.
Alright.
Alright.
All right, so they left the buy side intact, came back down to that 6:32 minute buy side bounce outside efficiency. That was probably lucky.
Yeah.
All right, so they left the buy side intact, came back down to that 6:32 minute buy side bounce outside efficiency. That was probably lucky. Oh. Everyone that understands opening gaps, they want to see it trade down into that 21,472 and a quarter from here.
Let's go.
ES just dropped off a cliff, my boy. Big Sean.
What's up?
Something. ES gap fully closed. We have an old PM session low on Tuesday last Tuesday on ES. That is a strong liquidity right below this morning's low at 450.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah.
An old PM
There's
low.
so much downside below us, dude. It's so good.
Yep. First presented on ES. Inside of two Nadogs.
This NASDAQ holding strong here, dude.
There he goes again. This bad boy.
Dude, if ICT knew you were doing this live, bro, he would have you assassinated.
Oh, I'm muting myself every time.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, bro, he would literally get a hitman on you.
He's the leaker, dude.
Yeah.
He leaked it to me, dude. Probably leaked it to others too.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you better watch your mouth.
Ooh. Concentrated encouragement, perfect on that last candle, then just send it to buy side. That's exactly what he was saying. He's like, sink it to that fair value gap, take out the buy side, then sink it back. That should be crazy.
Yeah, bro. Easy to see, bro. Super easy levels to find and predicted it to this morning, you know?
Uh-huh.
Better get ready to go short, I guess.
Fair value. 15-minute, 15-second auto block, 1 minute auto block,
Oh, bro, oh, bro.
auto block. ES just wants to run for that fucking sell side first presented here. Nice little reaction from it. That'd be a great short. I mean, it's just higher as liquidity run to the lows. We have that higher time frame sell side as well. I don't
Hey, for
hate
sure,
it.
the markets weren't mixed.
Yeah, I don't hate it.
Nasdaq's a great long right now.
It is a great long. Yes, it's a great short.
Just mix it, dude. Send it short on ES. Buy that shit on Nasdaq.
I love getting my cup mixed up. You know what I mean? I know what that means.
Bang.
Banger.
Short.
544. Let's see if 544 can even get reached. If it doesn't, that's big indicative of a big short. So now we can short fucking ES. Oh, I can have a nice fat stop loss to it. Yes, it's fucking sick. Does 44 get hit on NAS? And bang. 44. Let's see who wants that. Oh yeah, we're crushing. I love how it just hit 44 and just fucking was parabolic from there then. That was sick.
All right, this is telling how we react here on Nasdaq.
Big Pat. Oh, Big Pat's in shorts here. Uh-oh. Let's fucking ride, baby. I said it like I think you can absolutely go short.
Watching on ES, 5 a.m. 15-minute level. Could be your last leg area.
Yeah, definitely could. But even like now for a short too, like just consolidating here. How can I react to? Oh. I have Fed breaky on ES. Let's see. As indeed just soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven.
I knew you were gonna say that.
I know.
And he was just on a mission.
Thank you is on a mission. Where's it going? 5-minute fair value gap at like yesterday at 10:20 ish. I don't know what cow that is. It's too skinny. Yeah, 10:25. Banger. Also 15-minute fair value gap. 10:15. 1 minute city closure. Good luck. Shit. ICT's Audi. So he checked his hunger gauge. He's running low on fuel.
Hold on, boys. I'm feeling my macro coming on in a few minutes.
Oh, I'm hanging on.
That's ES completely balanced 5-minute inefficiency.
Yeah, that's fucking wild.
50 bullish signatures.
Just blew through it first presented on NASDAQ. Hold on. What are we seeing, boys?
Like markets are back in sync.
Yeah.
That's all I heard.
Oh, go
Markets
ahead.
are back in sync.
They are back in sync.
Yes, is that last leg.
Yes, it's good signatures and then the dog right there.
Yep, first presented to dogs.
Let's see, it just sank. Big Sean macro.
Called it.
Inversion 1 minute breaker here. That'd be fucking sweet. At 9:28. That'd be ridiculous. Patty, we had that 200 tick stop loss on that. We're still in play here. That little 200 ticker. He shorted the PM session high. It's like, all right, usually the 200 tick stop loss, I would take him up to 21,600. Should never hit. 10 points away. 40 ticks. Good shit, Patty. Because what is happening? Oh, wow. To a small loss, small, long win. That's great. I'd probably gonna make that 9-4 candy. Nas is taking over as the fucking leader to the downside. Over ES. It's kind of consolidating here. It's enough close candle in this down round. Better PDAs on ES though. Virgin breaker. An old Nazi. Oh my god, tech. No Reaper. Oh, Reaper is fucking good. Freddie Few. What are we looking for, boys? We're a little quiet, huh?
Yeah, dude, I could see it going. I just really don't trust this right now.
Yeah. 5 minute on ES right there. Constant encroachment. You also have a 5 minute balance range. So have a reclaim fucking market maker block. Body. Perfect right there.
Yeah, from 520.
Uh-huh. Maybe talk about the 545. That body.
There's NQ.
Ooh, got it close below the constant encroachment there. Looking at the E24 fair value gap, hit the very top of it. Great reaction from that. No body close. Definitely wick the top. The top wick was fucking nasty. I see it get back to it one more time. Just a quick little peck on the cheek, you know? Nice little kiss. Just boom right there.
It's crazy how fast NASDAQ caught up.
Now you can tank. Oh, that ain't it. Color outside the lines. Whoa. Whoa, buddy. Big color outside the lines. Oh. Everybody got. Yeah, look at ES now. Now you're in a fucking range bound market. It didn't go from there. You have
Yeah,
it
I tried
down,
to short
up,
that.
down.
I took a short at the New Day open gap on ES.
Yeah.
Failed.
I mean, yeah, now that it failed, like now it's better intel because like I mean that's the last chance really for a short that makes any kind of sense. It's like
Yeah.
down, up, down. It gotta go now because everything else is balanced and now back up in the range. It's like it's like completely just if
Yeah,
it doesn't work out.
Yeah, it's so balanced that I liked it, but I closed Ninja, dude. That's good enough for me today.
Oh yeah.
Two solid setups. Both of them lost. So I don't need anything else.
I love it, bro.
think you just hit midweek from 9 a.m.
NQ just hit midwick from 9 a.m.
Hourly. Midweek.
Nice. There's presented. Nice eggs. This is a shit market on 5.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah, I see that path that closed long. Yeah, I mean, just down, up, down.
I mean, all order flow. Oh, we have to actually hold this. Never mind. Looking like Nasdaq's just gonna have an inside day.
That'd be sweet.
I mean, what's the next draw? The Nawag, like, not great levels above.
Boing, take out the high. Hey, not a bad day, Patrick. On a day like today, dude, just you know, it's just tough. The setups aren't working out. So many false saves. Same old lies. Oh.
Massive buy program on NASDAQ.
Man, I respect
All
you.
right,
God.
I was just gonna say NASDAQ traded to a premium of this fucking bigger range we're in on the hourly. ES staying weak, order flow is just very fucking bullish on Nasdaq. So honestly, I'm not that interested in longs. Like, there's not that great a target. So I'm just thinking, like, can NQ? Is this a 4-hour PO3 or is this more likely to be an expansion? Probably an expansion, but
Yeah, expansion higher. Okay, I mean, I just wanted to come back into some structure to be able to take a trade out of it. It's the only thing I'm looking for. The only thing I could trade a frame around or trade around would be a short. So I'm hoping for a short. So if it goes higher, I'm really give a fuck, but I'm short. Did not think that was funny, Alex. Oh, Alex isn't even sitting there, but definitely. Oh, it's Kayla. Yeah, tell Kayla I said was goody.
what's up, by the way?
Yeah, that's why I was short right now. No, I'm looking
Hi.
for a short sell. That's the only thing I could frame I could trade on. If it just keep blowing higher, I'm like, yeah, I don't like anything. Like, that's to come back into structure here.
I agree.
Sean, did you say hi?
Yeah.
Lies. How's old San Diego?
Dude, it's not the same without you boys, but it's good, dude.
Not the same.
Bro, I booked my flight. I'll be in PA on the 30th.
You're just a pussy, bro.
Dude. I get pussy. Just kidding, I'm in. I really don't.
Word.
Busy thinking about fucking market maker models, dude.
It's high setup. Fair value gap right there. 1007 fair value gap. High setup. It's going to keep going. Take out liquidity, then take out that high. Leave a parity. Back into it.
There's just like, unless you want to draw for the NOAG on NASDAQ, like, unless we break down a little bit here, I don't see shit.
I mean, fuck. I mean, it would be a better draw than the NOAG on a consolidation week.
That's true.
Yeah. And the consequent encroachment of the regular trading hours gap wasn't even touched. That's just low signature.
Oh, bull guy.
Every signature on NASDAQ is bullish right now.
To the bully.
Sold the low. Sick.
Who sold the low?
I fucking did.
Oh.
Yeah, sold many of those.
It's all good, dude.
I mean, dude, the narrative was there. NASDAQ got in sync. Like,
Yeah, dude. That was a nifty little macro there. Got me.
A nifty.
Yeah, that was tricky, dude. Markets were in sync. We were getting closures below the levels. I want to see closures below. Balanced price range on the 5. Everything.
Oh, yeah.
But 2 losses, dude. That's the market saying. Chill, brother.
Not today.
Yeah, it's just not your day, dude. It'll come back with interest.
Fuck yeah.
I like
There'll
that,
be-
dude.
There'll be days when your setups do work, and there'll be weeks when they work, but today's not it.
It's one trade tomorrow, dude. It'll be fucking set.
Yeah, dude, I'm just gonna rip CPI, dude. I'm just gonna fucking revenge trade on CPI.
I would.
I'll probably get in the market like 825.
Well, dude, if you're gonna revenge trade, leverage up your accounts, though.
Yeah, I'll leverage up, get in the market around 825, and then
No, like not more risk, but like put collateral down on your accounts so you could trade bigger accounts. You know what I mean?
Like your car and like your
Yeah,
parents'
like
house.
Your parents' house. Yep.
my parents' house.
Both said that at the same time.
That's a good idea.
That's sad.
Dude.
And I'll probably just like once I get in the market 825, I'll just go for a walk.
Yeah, like not even look at it. Just
Yeah.
back like market open or whatever.
Nah, dude, I'll come back like the market when the market closes at like 4. See how much money I made.
I've lost legitimately like 8 straight trades on my Tradeify account.
Oh, that's 2 straight.
I've won and lost 0 straight in my Tradify account.
What?
I've won and lost 0 straight on my Tradify account because I don't have them.
I'm up like a little bit on those.
Oh,
Up a little bit on everything.
just a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Just a little bit. You guys know that song?
Yeah. It's not that good though.
I like it. I mean, it's a vibe.
It's not good.
It's not good, but it's a vibe.
Trying to build out all these daily, weekly review templates.
Yeah, build it out. What we got.
Wanna see?
Uh,
Oh, you're actually making it?
Yeah, I already have. Shout out AI, dude. But I have like a few ones. This is like the daily one. Oh, what the fuck, dude? So it's like, oh, what the fuck, dude?
Shout out AI. Where the fuck is it?
So pre-market analysis. I started this last night, the daily one. Market thoughts, like just live here. This is actually the better structure one down here. I redid it. So pre-market analysis, bias and expectation, pre-market thoughts, just whatever, write down what you're seeing pre-market, reminders like, hey, these are key things to remember. Market thoughts, intraday observations. This is where I just write down what I'm seeing during the day. And then post review, what was my bias going into the day? What actually happened? Trade recap, mistakes I made, what I did great, reinforcement to myself, overall recap, and then tomorrow.
Holy shit, you fill that out every day?
I'm gonna, yeah, now I am.
How long does that shit take?
Hour. Depends.
Fuck yeah. I wish I had an hour. After peak season's over, I'll have a fucking hour to do that shit.
Tired of losing.
I love it, bro.
I mean, my mistakes are very fucking fixable, though. That's just the realization. Other than the fact I'm Jewish, dude, that shit's going to me to the grave.
Yeah, it's kind of ass. I couldn't imagine. Oh, tuned.
I can't wait for CPI to run these fucking lows tomorrow. But that's also the shit that has to stop too, me saying shit like that. Because the market doesn't owe me that at all.
No. It's likely.
It is likely, though. At least on ES.
Go to sleep. Cheap trades, cheap trades. I love cheap trades. You set out your parameter and then it goes back up and where you were going to take your fucking entry, and you fucking just short it or long it the direction that it was going to go. Damn, cheap trades. Love cheap trades. Like,
Look at that signature on Nasdaq though. That 15-minute from 10:15 yesterday. Just fucking Wix bodies respect it completely.
that's pretty clean. Pretty fucking clean there, bruv. Come all the way back. All right. Yonkers. Oh, enchanté. Mademoiselle. Wow.
Alright, I'm gonna go change.
Can I watch? Oh. 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 Nice. Oh.
I need to get a yoga mat,
So
because mine's in the car, and exercise here and not go, oh, no, no, Jen. Where your yoga mat?
Hell yeah, Big Al.
This thing's my body, my lower back hurts, so I'm not gonna do my other stuff, but I'm not gonna not exercise. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alex, feel good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. Just journaling that, dude. I was like, losses are having less and less of an effect on me.
Eventually, the effect will be zilch.
I'd rather not lose, but I'm like, not really worried. Trust myself.
Blank. First presented blood throw. Let's see. You're in a 5-minute ultra balance rush range. Good wants to go.
It's gonna be some lack of precision all over again.
Said too, they have more shit in their charts than you do. Patrick thinks I got a lot of shit on my chart.
Damn.
Yeah, that's fucked up, Patrick.
It's crazy. He said he's watching this Apex Wealth chart live stream. He said there's a lot of shit on their chart. Yeah, mine's pretty minimal compared to. I mean, not like yours. Yours is fucking nothing. But like the average Joe, I have a lot of shit on my chart. Everything on my chart is price levels, though. Everything on my chart is price levels. It's not like an app, like a moving average or a VWAP or Bollinger Bands. It's all price and time levels. That's it. That's it. Yes, catapulting higher a bit here. Look into my eyes. Follow you. Yo, Patrick up 51K on these 20 Apex accounts, though. So each account is up 1,000. And you start with 50K. Oh boy.
This is where I would definitely want to see a reaction from NASDAQ. At that 5-minute immediate rebalance with a breakaway gap above it at the first presented.
I'm about to go higher or lower.
I don't know. Just need something to happen. It's just a key level. I don't have a bias right now because it's been such a weird market, but spending a lot of time in that fair value gap.
Yeah, it is.
All right, boys. I gotta fucking run to work, but
Peace out, brother.
peace out, boys.
What, Big Sean?
I'll catch you.
Say
CPI
bye to
tomorrow.
Patrick. Say bye to Patrick.
Later, Patrick.
Oh,
Shit, dude. Apex King. He's the Apex Predator, dude.
Wow.
damn, that's hot.
That's actually a sick nickname, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck.
He goes,
Nickname for one of you boys.
he goes, love you, bro. I love you, dude.
Don't even know you, but love you too, dude.
Oh,
But all right, peace, boys.
I don't even know you.
late. I can't believe I shaved my head, bro. I look like a fucking idiot, but I love it.
Oh, you're good.
Hell yeah.
Oh.
Head shave tie. Let's see. Look at that. Dude, the hairline is receding just a hair. All right, I got my dad's fucking hairline. Look at that fucking just massive bald spot right here. And over there. Fuck it, still looks good. He goes, bro, you had the locks. Yeah, fuck the locks, bro. I'm over it. I hated taking care of them. I would just play with my hair all day. I'd play with my hair so much that my right shoulder would just get so sore for having my arm up so much during the day.
It's insane.
Yeah. It's hard. It was retarded. He goes, I always saw you doing that. I'm like, yeah, I know. It fucking sucked. Hated it. Hated it. Think about taking the short here.
Dude, there's a 5-minute fair or 15-minute fair value gap from 10:15 yesterday, right above us.
Yeah.
Getting some good signatures on.
Yeah.
I see the narrative.
Dude, just for the swing low in this position right here. We get a good closure on a 1 minute. I don't know.
This 1 hour bounce price range is confusing me though. Just very neutral signals on it.
Yeah.
Because we should not be in it this deep if we're bearish. Yes, it's about to make a higher high.
Yeah. Dude, opposite signatures on that 15-minute fair value gap from the breaker. Just a little scalp here. Didn't looking for anything crazy. Not a directional bias, just like fucking give me that liquidity and fucking bounce. First presented would need to close on the first presented. Five-minute looks good for respecting for bullishness. 15-minute looks good for bearishness. Where'd you draw your 1 hour balance range from?
The fair value gap from 10 a.m. yesterday.
Yeah, from where?
What do you mean?
So, like, where I would draw it from would be the 11 a.m. low from Friday to the 1 p.m. high from yesterday.
No, the yesterday's low is lower than Friday's.
What does that have to do with it?
When you're doing overlapping fair value gaps, you have to do the lowest low and the highest high of it.
That was his, like, he explained it in his, I know what you're talking about. He explained it in his actual mentorship. Like, the actual, like, you want to do just, like, because if you draw all of them out, like, imagine you draw every single one out, where's the spot that they're all overlapping? And that's where the fair value gap should be. So if you draw all of them on your chart, and then the only spot where they're overlapping is where that balance range would be. I know which video you're talking about where you draw the widest one. But then it's like the narrative behind it. Right, like then you have wicks through it, and you have that, and it's like, all right, cool, this price has already been balanced to a few times. Doesn't need to go back to that price in particular. What's still inefficient in that fair value?
You got the low Friday and the high yesterday's.
Yeah, because like if you look at that range, like there's no other candles through that. Everything else outside of that range is completely balanced.
Yeah. And the way we're using right now is very terrible.
Yeah, just wicking through.
Yeah, you don't want to see it go all the way up. Balance price range should not go. It shouldn't even go to the high of it.
Yeah, no, I know, like a symmetrical market to where it's like if we're really indicative of a short here. Yeah.
Right.
Like a long-term short, like for those lows. Like if it was going to quickly go for those lows, yeah, it shouldn't trade all the way to the high. So we can infer that it's not going to trade all the way to those lows quickly in the next few hourly candles. It's more likely not to. But short-term scalps, yeah, I don't really give a fuck about that signature.
Yeah.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
I'd love to take this short on NAS, but like there's too many back and forths. This is the fourth time going lower on this 1 minute. Boink.
It's not good signatures.
Yeah. Take a long right there at the other side of the range would be more fucking probable.
It's all 50-50 at this point.
Yeah, it sucks that is. That'd be taken out if that was the first pass through. It's just beautiful. Yeah, I'm looking at the 1 minute fair value gap from 10:01. I went through it, came back up, hit it, used his bullishness, went down through it, came back above it, went down through it one more time. And then now it wants to take out that swing low that I was trying to aim for. It's like, yeah.
Yeah, and meanwhile, ES is in a 1 minute buy program.
Literally, it's consolidating higher. Yeah, YM's fucking cruising higher. NASDAQ wants to go lower.
I don't even know what ES wants. Maybe the daily fair value gap.
I have a daily order block low, like the immediate rebounds.
Yeah.
The low of Friday.
Or if the comps can encroach into that.
Yeah, 15 minute fair value gap, 2 p.m. yesterday.
Yeah, it's a crazy bounce range, so it makes sense why it's just taking a while.
Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, hour charts down, up, down, up.
Yeah,
down.
that hour chart looks crazy.
That's nice. He goes, are we shorting or what? Well, since this was my level, I was looking at Big Pat. This level right here. And I went down through it, up through it, down through it, up through it, down through it. I was going to short here. Went up a little bit higher, would stop me out. And now going down, up, hit it again. Like, yeah, it's, you just can't trust it in my eyes. Sean, shut the fuck up. Sean's watching the stream now.
That's insane.
What a fucking idiot. Wants to be part of it. Oh, look at the short. Oh, spell. I love it. Yeah, don't care. It wasn't high probability for me. I can see it going both ways, brother. That's why we don't short. Sean goes, I'm here, boys. You said you had the lower highs. You could have taken the trade. Maybe. Just not set up for me.
Oh, Pat. Don't try to change tide, Pat.
Yeah, time, 11 o'clock macro now. Great going. Even at the retest, though, it was still 10:47, 10:48. You want to see that sig trap a little sooner. KP. Yeah, he goes, what's with the buzz cut? You like that?
The buzz cut.
KP. Fucking love it. I just decided last night. I was playing with my hair too much when I was working out. My girl's like, yo, like, why do you keep playing with your hair? I said, oh, no, I'm just going to cut it off. She goes, yeah, you won't do it. I was like, bet. Fucking did.
What's she think?
She hasn't seen it yet.
You haven't sent her pic?
No.
You probably think you're bullshitting her.
Probably. Oh, Sean, I got the fucking ES on my other charts, my boy. If I was interested in it, I'd pull it up. But your boy ain't even pulling it up. Can't wait to hear Kerrigan shit talk when he sees you. Kerrigan needs to fucking cut off his fucking locks, bro. This is a bully cut right here. He's gonna fucking love it. He's gonna love the bully cut. $10 a.m. bounce. Nice. 560 on that bounce. Oh, boy. That's how we do it. Should put a mini on it. Should put a micro. Micro, I mean, that's a good fucking trade. Nice. That's what's up. Good shit, bro. Little phantom trend line here. Going up on that 5 minute. I don't want to see that just break down. I don't know how to fucking draw this bullshit. What's this thing? It's literally a little fucking trend line. Okay, it's probably not everything that looks from this though. Ah, there we go. That low's gonna get fucking tagged. Phantom trend line. Fake trend line. I want to see it's just blow through it. You got the narrative there. Yeah, I'd like to see a low of the get waxed here. Low of the AM session. Two nice relative equal lows. You have ES kind of getting in sync with the lower now. YM hitting a deep retracement. That's definitely the lagger here. So we actually don't want them at their value yet. We'll see. We'll see. Oh. Yeah, I like the consequent encroachment to get hit here. What would that be? The regular trading hour gap. The middle of it. 502.50. Yeah. Any kind of retracement here. Should be a show. Should be a show. Turn the macro too. Not bad. Proof is telling me lies, lies, lies. Twenty accounts is crazy, bro. You can fucking rack up some fucking wins with that. It'd be nuts. Boy, there's consequent encroachment. There it is. Center gap. Center gap. Big Al, you doing all right?
Yep. Just take green.
Good shit. I doesn't want that low. Pre-market. Pre-market low. That is fire. That is fire. KP. Yeah, that fan trend line we were talking about there. Boink. Yeah, nice bounce off of it here. A lot of people are going long off that bullish candle. You just fucking sink it against them. The narrative is down here. A lot of stop losses down here. Boink. There it goes. And that low. It can get down all the way down to here. Oh, shizzle. Oh, shizzle, my nizzle. That might be it for me today, though, boys. Why didn't get in? There was a lot of levels that I wasn't liking too much, like in the way of it. I could see it going down there, but this is really what I wanted to get in at, that step up. I was looking at this, I was mapping that out. That stab to go lower, but just some levels there I just didn't like too much. Wasn't my favorite cup of tea. Because if I would have lost that setup, I would have been like, yeah, I could have seen that happening too. Hit that, come off of here, go up. Just in the kind of environment we've been in all morning. Yeah, because that's what I always think about whenever I put on a trade. It's like, if I lose this trade, would I be mad at losing this trade? Because like X, Y, and Z, because I saw different things. And that's how I weigh out good trades and not good trades. So yeah, definitely would have been mad This is a daily open, this level right here. So all these levels on this, these, this is a weekly open level. When it's like white, when it's like orangish yellow, is a daily open level. That opening price is going to see a lot of good price action on it. So you have here, didn't use necessarily there, trade it off here, trade it off there. Even this level, that daily open level, hits it, sends it, retest, goes for a target there, comes back down. Like it just, I like it a lot. But then obviously here, consolidates in here, sends it higher, retest, goes, retest there, lower, and really digs into it, hits the top part with that, and it just sells off. So, yeah, this short could happen too right here. Fair value gap, could run for that low a little bit more. But we'll see. We'll see. Ugh.
The dog.
The dog.
Dog 5-minute IFN.
Yep. That's a clean level. Clean boy. It's Trigger. Five-minute little ife. Little ifey wifey. Nice. Tank right there. Nice. Yeah, I missed that one. Oh, that was a good one. That was a super good one. Fucker. That was it. Gotta take for the breaker. A fucking real retest. It was, but I just wanted higher. Pissing me off. Whatever. That shit happens, my boy. Got right to this level. And a dog. So I was gonna hold it for. The dog to the dog. That was it. That was the setup of the day. Fucking missed it. GG's. That's what you wait for right there. All right, well, I got to bounce, boys.
Peace, bro.
Good fucking sesh. Way to go.
Catch you tomorrow.
Catch you tomorrow.
Peace.
Peace.